Back at Epcot for the Moonlight Magic. So this time it is Epcot, as you just saw me visit. So now that I'm in Epcot, what should I do first? Yeah, you already know the answer to that, don't you? Okay, here we go. It's just to be like a couple of seconds. I'm not going to show you a lot.
Keep it on the clock.
Really quick shot of the back of what used to be the Universe of Energy, which is going to be the new Guardians of the Galaxy attraction. Okay, took care of that. Now, well, now that I've done that, it has been raining most of the day today, but it just cleared up recently, pretty much as soon as we got to Disney, which is pretty awesome. And it's really nice out right now. Because it stopped raining, no rainbows today though. As you can see, the sun is at the perfect angle for one. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be shooting tonight, since we already saw Flower and Garden. Although this time is a Brian with us. Poke, poke, poke.
Look at me. I have a magical tracking bracelet.
Ooh.
Magical tracking bracelet.
It certainly won't kill you. Here in Morocco. Checking out the shop.
I have the world's smallest turkey shrub.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Which one of these has genie in it?
You must choose, but choose wisely.
But when it comes out, does it say I'm a genie in a bottle? Ooh, I can meet Jasmine. I wonder if I can get some rice. Ooh, time to walk around Japanese Pavilion. Now, some of you know that I was planning at one point to go to Japan, but unfortunately that never did happen. So this is the best I can do. This is a cool mug. One up, man. It goes from, when it's cold, it's, well, for some reason, dark, and it changes colors. Funny, they have a lot of Mario stuff here at Disney. It's because obviously Universal is building Super Nintendo World, but they don't have exclusive rights. I'm sure this is here before it was even announced.
Anywhere
interesting.
In
I like matcha.
Iowa that I have found.
Once rare, now found everywhere.
Well, mostly.
Well,
it's
not hard to find.
Yeah.
There's a lot of places.
Yeah.
There's a lot of places you can get it now. Here you go. Here's your overpriced Kit Kats.
Oh. And let's see what the damage is.
It's right here.
Oh. That's not bad. That's not
really? Yeah, no thanks. Alright, so I'm going into the American Adventure, a pavilion I still believe should not exist because there's no point. But I've been told that the show in here is awesome, so I will find out.
The rafters.
Oh.
Well, here's the theater. But I was told not to record, so I didn't decide to do it anyway. So, you might wonder, how did I get into Moonlight Magic? Am I part of the Disney Vacation Club? No. Is Brian? Is Brian? No. It's because of these lovely people right here.
Oh, sorry.
You might remember from our previous trip, the
broken one.
the broken trip?
I'm the broken one.
Oh.
I used to be on this one.
Mother of the broken one.
Yeah. So, apparently they don't have names, those are their names.
Yes. And Suzanne.
And they are originally friends of this one over here, and have graciously invited us, so thank you for that.
We like having a herd to go with.
Yep.
From Iowa.
Ooh, okay, as soon as I hit record, it went completely out of focus. Fun! Time soon for Illuminations, Reflections of Earth. No trolls in the comments section, okay? I let myself go to the Frozen Ever After attraction for a whole 50 minutes, which I guess I'm supposed to be excited about. Yay.
Well, this is on at 420 minutes.
That's why I've never been on it.
Ariel's digging through the stuff.
Okay.
Huh. Wish my phone had better low light capabilities. Some trees, kind of nice in here. It's pretty cool. Brian likes it. Something smells funny here. Projections. Now we have arrived to Gifty Ever After. Now to the Mexican Pavilion for the Mexican version of the Na'vi River Adventure. It's a better ride and no wait. And I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera around as I'm walking. My bag is hanging here. Showtime! Guess who's back again?
Oh, no you don't!
Ooh, there's fireworks! There's even coins in this little fountain. Oh, this looks kind of cool. Should see that. I don't know if they'll do it again, but when they released the fog, there's a lot of fog. That DJ's standing on a truck.
Scoot on back.
Here's a giant plume of fog.
We're going over to you now. That was epic. Again,
I'm pretty sure that's fog, not
higher.
It's like rainforest, only with dinosaurs.
So we're here at the Electric Umbrella. Got my meal vouchy, and I'm gonna try the Mojo pulled pork burger. So it's both pulled pork, well, and a burger. Yeah, I guess that's, yeah, okay, fine. So it's obvious. Okay, great, good for you. It's one of the quick serve restaurants here. I've been in it, but I've never tried it. So tonight I will. This is part pulled pork, part burger, fries. This has been described as a cross between ranch dressing and mayonnaise. Or you can just get the Angus bacon cheeseburger you see here. This is normally $18.62. This meal is $17.02 normally, with a beverage, fountain beverage. And here's one of the desserts. It's a Smurfy dessert. And over here is, what is this one?
This is the brisket with beer cheese sauce on the side. And this is the chicken sandwich with the aioli sauce on the side.
Aioli sauce.
Terribly difficult people.
Yes, but those who watch my channel already know how picky I am with food, right guys? Well, never had pulled pork without barbecue sauce before. Actually, I liked it better than the burger part, but they're both very good. The fries are awesome. Or, well, they're quite good. They're not very salty, like I like it. Brian didn't like his at all.
No, I'm very upset. No, the brisket was very tasty. This beer cheese sauce is actually very tasty. I rather liked it. The aioli sauce was pretty tasty, but I liked this better. They're very generous with their fries here.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, like Dave was saying, the fries were very good. I liked the brisket. The brisket was, it didn't really need the beer cheese sauce, but it was a good addition. So if you are hesitant, you can always get the beer cheese sauce on the side.
I wasn't sure about the sauce, so I did that too.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Well, I was about to record. I just saw some really cool fireworks. And just my luck, it just ended. So is this video. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. And please exit through the gift shop.
Now from the Cheetah Girls, let's take it to High School Musical, Dose. We gotta get on the golf course, people. We gotta be determined to sing this out.
Here's a nice photo op over here.